Good morning, this is your Uncle Ito again. At nandito pa ako sa bahay. So for today's video, punta tayo sa San Francisco. Woo! So sasamahan ko yung sister-in-law ko, brother-in-law ko na galing Canada at ikot-ikot tayo sa San Francisco. So papakita ko kung gaano kaganda ang San Francisco. Puntahan natin yung mga tourist spot doon. So for the meantime, dito muna tayo sa bahay habang nag-aantay tayo sa kanila. So, yan. Magkakape muna tayo. Gawa tayo ng kape. Alright. Okay. Gawa tayo ng kape. So, Tim Hortons from Canada. Gamitin natin. Nasusunduin na namin sila. Ready na sila. Oh. This is their house. So this is their house. Abel.
Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning.
We are here.
And nandito na sila.
Thank you so much for your time with us. Driving around in San Francisco and Golden Gate Bridge. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Ito, ikot lang natin. Manong, ready ko na?
Ready na.
Hey Eric. Hello. How was it?
It's really relaxing.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Well needed after a 16-hour drive.
Oh yeah, this is the best thing. I really want to have one like this. Wonder how much. Yeah. And this is my sister-in-law. Yeah. Rating na siya. Yeah, come on. Yeah, daw siya. And this is my Manong Noel.
We're having fun here.
There you go. And this is my brother-in-law, si Greg.
Thank you for assisting us.
Yes, no problem. Okay, ito naman tayo sa aking brother-in-law, si Bayaw Leo Morzo. So
hello everyone. How are you guys doing out there? I'm very pleased and proud to be here in the United States with my in-laws, Uncle Ito. Don't forget to subscribe his blog. So now he's going to drive us on San Francisco and experience to see the nice view of Golden Gate Bridge. Thank you, Uncle Ito. God bless you.
All right, thank you. Sinong first time dyan? First time dyan. First time daw. Oh.
First timer. May discount daw pag
Eksakto pala eh.
Oh, thank you.
A few inches later.
So we're here in Treasure Island. Yeah. So we're just gonna go and cross. Yeah. Alright, nandito tayo ngayon sa Treasure Island. This is located in San Francisco. Pagkagaling ka ng Sacramento, ito una mong madadaanan. It's a 400 acres ito, built by Army Corps dito sa may San Francisco. Pagka pumunta kayo dito at daan lang kayo dito, you just follow the sign Treasure Island. Ito ang makikita mong background, ito yung Bay Bridge, ito naman yung downtown, andun naman yung Golden Gate. So pupuntahan namin siya mamaya. Alright, so ngayon, for now, ikot-ikot tayo dito. Okay? Ayan. Nandito kami sa Treasure Island. That is the Bay Bridge, and that is the downtown San Francisco. Okay, so ngayon tayo kayo dyan para picturein ko kayo dyan. Yan. Alright, let's go to Treasure Island. Tignan natin kung ano yung nasa loob. Alright, this is a Treasure Island Museum. Ganda. So, midway.
A few moments later.
This is the Bay Bridge. Okay. This is 1989 earthquake. Bumagsak ito ba yun? Bumagsak itong bridge na ito in 1989, I think, when there's a big earthquake. That's the Alcatraz there. Downtown San Francisco. Yan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Fisherman's Wharf dito sa San Francisco. Ayan, behind me is the Alcatraz there. Ito ang view. So ayun, ikot-ikot lang dito. At ito yung one of the tourist spot dito sa San Francisco. Pag nagagawi kayo dito sa San Francisco, don't miss coming here to Fisherman's Wharf para ma-explore nyo yung mga nice area here. Okay, so let's go around. Right, welcome to Pier 39. Stand up here, take a picture here with the Pier 39. Okay, so stay here, I'll take you a picture. Okay, come on, 1, 2, 3. So how was it so far? Are you enjoying the San Francisco tour that we're having?
Yes.
We're not there yet in Golden Gate, but so far how was it?
It's really good. We got to try this clam chowder here at Fisherman's Wharf. There's lots of stores to visit, so whenever you're in San Francisco, just make sure to stop by Fisherman's Wharf and grab yourself a clam chowder.
Yeah.
It's worth
part
it.
of it, club chowder, huh?
Yeah.
That's their best food here.
Yeah. Thank you, Uncle Eto, for bringing us here.
Yeah. So
Appreciate
how was
it.
the Treasure Island though? You like that
Treasure
part?
Island, yeah, it's a really beautiful view. Yeah, you get to see like the San Francisco skyline,
Yeah.
and yeah, apparently there's like a lot of history to it as well.
Okay, good.
It's good. Yeah.
I'm glad you're enjoying it. So our next destination is going to be Golden Gate. Have you been to Golden Gate yet?
Yeah, once when I was really small. Yeah,
Okay,
but
so-
don't remember lots.
It's going to be different this time.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so let's go.
Yes, thank you.
Alright, tapos na kami dito sa may Pier 39 sa San Francisco. Ngayon naman, pupunta kami sa Golden Gate Bridge. Doon naman kami mag-iikot. So, this is it for Pier 39 in San Francisco, and we'll see you in Golden Gate. Yeah. Let's go! Let's go to that Chubibo, First Whale, or Rueda in our language, in Ilocano. Yan, puntahan natin doon at sakay tayo. Kung magkano ang the Sky Star Fisherman, kung magkano ang ticket. So let's see kung magkano. So general admission is $18. So yeah, this is the ano ba yan? Self-driving taxi here in San Francisco. Ito yung walang driver, so it's electronic. Yan, tingnan mo. Oh, yan. Galing, oh. Yan naman yung maliit, go-car. Ito walang ano yan, walang driver, it's electric. Ayun din yung ano niya, oh, sa taas. As you can see, walang driver, self-driving yan. Tingnan mo, oh. Galing, right today. Jaguar pala eh. Galing. Oo, alam niya. Fisherman's.
A few inches later.
Dali siya sa baba. Parang slide. Parang slide doon sa water slide. Oh, ganun ka na lang. Tapos, baba ka na.
It's up to you now. Bahala ka na. Dagan ba ang kinakuha na nila? Pinapakita nga sa YouTube yun eh. Nakakatuwa na yan. Marami na puro na po eh. Late na tayo.
Yun nga yung ano noon. Pag ko ba nabasa yun niya na Biblia na later on lahat computer na.
AI na nga.
In half a mile, turn right onto Battery
Half
Street.
robot na nga talo ha. Half computer.
Hello, everybody. Make sure to like and subscribe to Uncle Edo Vlogs, and make sure to hit the notification bell. Don't forget.
Yes.